Sugar in my body, I feel excellent.
Can we kick it off already?
Yeah!
Okay. Already.
Toilet time. Yeah!
What? Whoa. When did Lewandowski get leg movement? Oh! Bruno's! That's the goal!
Look at that banger, you know. That's
my
the
God.
best goal I've ever seen.
Looks like Lewandowski is trying to kick. So you're probably wondering, how and why do they hire people like us? Because they are.
Because
And
we're
we
the
do it.
best alternatives.
Yes, we're the best alternative when you don't have money.
Oh.
That's a goal!
What the hell? That's a
goal! That's a beautiful goal.
Yeah, a bit far away, I would say, but
A bit far, but Lewandowski has, you know, Make-A-Wish Foundation. It up.
the Yao Ming.
Hey, yo!
Oh.
That could have been a beautiful goal. Lewandowski seems to be more on the attack here. Bruno's defending, but attacking as well.
That's the four.
Is it that, like, Third Reich? Oh my god! Third Reich in the hole!
What?
That's the third goal in this match, I said.
That's not what you said.
Yeah. Oh,
it's
disallowed.
1 minute bonus time.
Anyways. Oh.
That's a goal! Will it stand?
Holy.
Yes! What is that? Ew. Okay. Will Hung My Son do any better? Looks to be.
Oh,
That's a goal! Oh my god, Hung My Son did actually better this time than he did last week.
Lewandowski so slow.
Waiting for Lewandowski.
Let's see.
Oh, beautiful! That's too far.
That's
He has given!
what the hell? The refs
Oh my god, he
always
busted
rockers.
down. God damn, I got rocked right now. Full time!
Full time.
First victory for Lanky this season. Will they continue like this?
Sugar in my body, I feel excellent.